Find the square of a number. Type 1. How to find the square of a number? To find the square of a number, right, Pascal has developed a rule that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square stands for a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. First, what is this slash? 3 is there in units place. 2 is there in tens place. So it is nothing but 2 into 10 plus 3. Slash before tens place is into 10. 174. 4 is units place, 7 is tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. If I keep slash before hundreds place, it is 1 into 100 plus 74. Slash is kept before tens place, it is into 10. Slash is kept before hundreds place, it is into 100. This is actually nothing but 10a plus b whole square, which I am hiding it so that I can solve it. Now see here, example 77 whole square. If I split it, a is 7 and b is 7. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. This is 49. 49 2s are 98. 7 square is 49. Write down the unit digit 9. 4 carried. What is 98 plus 4? 102. 102, what is the unit digit? 2. 10 carried. What is 49 plus 10? 59. What is 49 plus 10? 59. Write down only the units place except the leftmost place. 49, unit digit is 9. 4 is carried. 98 plus 4 is 102. 2, 10 is carried. 49 plus 10 is 59. 5929. Please put a star mark on this question, sir. 77 whole square is 5929. 5929. This is nothing but how many 4-digit perfect squares are there where the first 2 digits is a prime number and the next 2 digits is a prime number. We will solve that question after we complete the concept. To find the square of a number, use the notation a plus b whole square. What is this slash? Slash will tell the position of the variable which is kept before the slash. A is there in tens place. It is 2 into 2 slash 3. 2 into 10 plus 3. 2 is there in tens place. 1 is there in hundreds place. 1 into 100 plus 74. 77 whole square. Put a star mark on this, sir. How to increase your calculation? Entire class is based on this. Maximum number of examples I will take it so that you can. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Listen carefully to every example, sir. Suppose if I take another example, 88 square. 88 square is nothing but a is 8 and b is 8. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. 8 square 64. 64 2s are 128. 8 square 64. Write down the unit digit 4. 128 plus 6, 134. 4. 13 carried. 64 plus 13 is 77. 77 44. 2 examples which we did. ABCD is a 4-digit perfect square. ABCD is a 4-digit perfect square where AB is a prime number we did and CD is also a prime number. I will again come back to these 2 questions. Next number I did it. AABB is a perfect square. Second example. AABB is a perfect squares where the first 2 digits are equal, where the first 2 digits and the last 2 digits are equal. Write down in the same order, sir. Last 2 digits are equal. First 2 digits are equal and last 2 digits are equal. 88 whole square is 7744. I will come to these 2 points. Now what is important for me is one important note. Key point 1. Please write down. First key point. 1 square is 01. 9 square is 81. Unit digit is not changing. 9 is nothing but 10 minus 1 square. 2 square is 4. 10 minus 2. 8 square is 64. Again the unit digit is not changing. 3 square is 09. 7 square is 49. Unit digit is not changing. 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. Unit digit is not changing. 5 square is 25. 10 minus 5, 5 square is again 25. Now if you observe, if x is the unit digit, 10 minus x whole square also gives the same unit digit. Please write down. If x is the unit digit, 10 minus x whole square will always give the same unit digit. If x is 2, 2 square is 4. 10 minus 2, 8 square is also 4. If x square has got a unit digit, 10 minus x whole square will also give you the same unit digit. What is x here? X is nothing but the unit digit of a number. X square is the value of that square of that unit digit. X square has got a unit digit. 10 minus x whole square has got a same unit digit. Please write down this point. 10 minus x whole square has got the same unit digit. Key point number 2. Listen carefully. Key point number 2. Now if you see a plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now example, see here, 9 square is 81. 11 square is 121. 19 square is 361. 21 square is 441. Any perfect square ending with 1. Any perfect square ending with 1. Tens place is always even. Tens place is always even. Why it should be even? If b value is 1. A with 1 whole square. This will become a square. Next is 2ab. Next is b square. Next, if b is 1. What is other number? 10 minus 1. A with 9 whole square, which is a square, next is 2ab, next is b square. Tens place, it is multiplied by 2. Any number multiplied by 2, it is an even number. 2 into any number, even number. 9 square is 81, 1. 8 carried, 8 is even. Even plus even is even. That is the reason any perfect square ending with 1, tens place will always be even. Why it is even? If b square has to be 1. If b square is giving me 1, that means b value will be either 1 or 9. Am I right? That is what we discussed. X square 10 minus x whole square has got the same unit digit. A with 1 whole square, a square 2ab and b square. A with 9 whole square, a square 2ab and b square. 2 into any number, even number. 2 into any number, even number. 9 square is 81, 1. 8 is carried, 8 is even. Even plus even is even. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place will be even. I hope the proof is clear. I hope the proof is clear. One more example I will do it so that you will understand this concept perfectly. Right at the end of the class, you know which concept to be used when. A with b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let me take another number. What is that? Another number, we wrote an important key point. Any perfect square ending with 6. Any perfect square ending with 6 has a tens place odd. The only perfect square whose tens place is odd is nothing but the number where the unit digit is 6. Please write down, sir. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place will be odd if it is a perfect square. Example, 4 square 16, 6 square 36. 14 square 196, 16 square 256. Any perfect square, the only perfect square where the tens place will be an odd number, that is nothing but when the unit digit is 6. That is when the unit digit is 6. I hope it is clear, or otherwise I can tell you this. Unit digit of any number, unit digit of any number will be from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another point which we know, a perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. This also proof I will give you. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8 not possible. It is ending with 0. 10 square is 100. It ends with even number of zeros. It is ending with 1. 9 square is 81. 10th place is even. It is ending with 4. 8 square is 64. 10th place is even. It is ending with 5. 5 square is 25. Ending with 2. It is ending with 9. 7 square is 49. 10th place is even. Any perfect square, only when the unit digit is 6. 10th place will be odd. Reverse is also true. Any perfect square, if it has a 10th digit odd, the unit digit has to be 6. The only unit digit that is possible when the 10th place is odd in a perfect square is the number 6. Please write down. Any perfect square ending with 6 has only 10th place odd. This is an example and another concept. Why it can be only be 6? Why it cannot be any other number? Any other number it is not possible. If you take a number, the unit digit of any number will be from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. That is out. Remaining all cases are 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 0 not possible. 10 square 100, 20 square 400. 1 not possible. 9 square 81, 11 square 121, 19 square 361, 21 square 441. 4 not possible. 8 square 64, 12 square 144, 18 square 324, 22 square 484. 5 not possible. 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1225, 85 square 7225. 6 is possible. 4 square is 16. In 16, 1 is odd. 6 square 36. 3 is odd. 24 square 576. 7 is odd. 30. 6 square 1296. 9 is odd. 9 not possible. 7 square 49. 4 is even. 13 square 169. 6 is even. 23 square 529. 27 square 729. 33 square 1089. Very, very important point. Any perfect square ending with 6 has a 10th place odd. Why 10th place should be odd? Which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. For it to end with 6, either it can be x square or 10 minus x square. A with 4 square, a with 6 square. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. Now see here, any number multiplied by 2, it is an even number. 4 square is 16, 1 carried. What is even plus 1? It becomes odd. 6 square is 36, 6, 3 carried. Any number multiplied by 2, it is an even number. Even plus 3 is an odd number. Even plus odd number, it is an odd number. I hope the idea is clear. Any perfect square ending with 6, why the 10th place should be odd? Proof with concept. I hope it is clear. Proof with concept. I hope it is clear. Proof with concept. A plus b whole square. Next, another important key point. Please write down, sir. Is a little slow and you want to know the speed calculation techniques, this class will be tremendously useful. This class has got an application in varied topics. Whenever you need to find the square or a cube of a numerical value, you can use this class, all the optimal techniques and minimize your time. Next one, please write down. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Please write down. For everything I will discuss the proof, sir. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Proof. If I take the unit digit of a number will be from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 49, 64, 81. Anywhere I got 2 at the end, anywhere I got 3 at the end, anywhere I got 7 at the end, anywhere I got 8 at the end. If a number is a perfect square, it can never have, cannot have, it cannot have 2, 3, 7 or 8 as the unit digit. A perfect square cannot have 2, 3, 7 or 8 as the unit digit. First thing what we did, how to find the square of a number, we did it. Then we did it. What happens to the tens place nature if it is a perfect square? Second example we did it. Then we saw the behavior of few numbers. Now please write down questions, some foundation problems. Next one, examples. Maximum examples in the class. Examples. Rambabu, is 5342 a perfect square? Is 5342 a perfect square? Is 5342 a perfect square? It is ending with 2. Therefore, answer is no. Is 17466 a perfect square? 17466 a perfect square. It is ending with 6. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place will be an odd number. Second one. Third one. How many perfect squares? How many perfect squares ends with 34? How many perfect squares ends with 34? Any perfect square ending with 4, 8 square 64, 12 square 144, 18 square 324. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is even. No perfect squares ends with 34. No perfect squares ends with 34. A perfect square can never end with 2. A perfect square ending with 6, tens place has to be odd number. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place, right, will always be an even number. Third one. Fourth question. Slowly from basics we will go, sir. How many elements in the set? How many elements in the set? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are perfect squares. How many elements in the set? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are perfect squares. A perfect square cannot end with 2, cannot end with 3. Any perfect square ending with 4, 8 square is 64, 12 square is 144, 18 square is 324. Tens place has to be even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is always 2. 15 squares 225, 16 25 square 625. Answer is 1. Only one element is a perfect square. I hope it is clear. How many elements in the set? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are perfect squares. It cannot end with 2, it cannot end with 3. If it is ending with 4, tens place has to be even. If it is ending with 5, tens place has to be 2. Fourth one. Fifth one. X square minus 5y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 2. The kind of questions we solve using fundamentals is x square minus 5y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 2. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? X square minus 5y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 2. xy are natural numbers. How many values it will take. Now see here, x square minus 5y square equivalent to 1232. The right hand side unit digit is 2. Right hand side unit digit is 2. If the right hand side unit digit is 2, here also it is 2. These multiplied by 5. Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. Something minus 0 is 2. That something unit digit is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Something minus 5 is 2. That something unit digit is 2. But x square is a perfect square. X square is a perfect square. A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Toughest question? Answer is no value for x comma y exists. Answer is no value for x comma y exists. Actually this, if you use algebra, it takes 5 minutes to solve the question. But I used speed calculation. X square minus 5y square equivalent to 1232. It is ending with 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Right? Why it is 0 and 5? Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. Right hand side is fixed. It is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. But x square is a perfect square. A perfect square cannot end with 2 or 7. So answer is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. I hope it is clear. I will tell you one more method, but after I solve some more problem. Please put a star mark on this. I will teach you some more method. Fifth one, I hope it is clear. Sixth one, x square plus y square equivalent to 3479. X square plus y square equivalent to 3479. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Method 1, using speed calculation. Please write down. Method 1, we will use speed calculation technique and will solve this one. Method 1, speed calculation. At the end of the class, you will be solving a lot of the problems orally, sir. X square plus y square equivalent to 3479. See here, x square plus y square equivalent to 3479. The right hand side unit digit is 9. Right hand side unit digit is 9. Right hand side unit digit is 9. If it is 9, this can be 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And the reverse case is also possible. X square and y square are perfect squares. Y square cannot end with 8. Perfect square cannot end with 2 or 7. Now see here. Any perfect square ending with 0, tens place is also 0. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. A perfect square ending with 9, tens place is even. Why? Because already we have seen 7 square is 14,9. 13 square is 116,9. 17 square is 218,9. Tens place is always even. 0 plus even is even. But in the right hand side, tens place is odd. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. What is even plus even? Even. What is 0 plus even? Even. What is the right hand side tens place I got? 7 odd. So answer for this question is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. Please write down every example, sir. Basic concept of a plus b whole square. I will take a very good quality questions. X square plus y square equivalent to 3479. Any perfect square ending with 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5. A perfect square cannot end with 2, 3, 7 are 8. Any perfect square ending with 0, tens place is 0. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place is even. 0 plus even is even. Even plus even is also even. Even plus even is also even. But the tens place is odd. We will also see what happens if the tens place is even. But after knowing few more examples, I hope it is clear. X is the unit digit, Rahul. X is not a natural number. A 10 square is 100. 100 means unit digit can be 0. 20 square is 400. These are not the numbers, beta. These are the unit digits of x square and y square. I hope your doubt got clarified, Rahul. Right? So, the right hand side unit digit is 9. Right hand side unit digit is 9. If the right hand side unit digit is 9, left hand side unit digits can be 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9. I hope the idea is clear. I hope your doubt got clarified, Rahul. I hope Maheshwar Reddy, it is also clear to you. Next one, method 2. Please write down. X square plus y square equivalent to 3, 4, 7, 9. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? How many values XY will take? Method 2. Method 1 is speed calculation. Method 2 is even or odd concept. Even or odd concept. What is that concept? We will see. X square plus y square equivalent to 3, 4, 7, 9. If x is an even number, y will be an even number. If x is an even number, y will be an odd number. If x is an odd number, y will be an even number. If x is an odd number, y will be an odd number. Even number and even number. 2k1 whole square plus 2k2 whole square. These is nothing but 4 into something. Answer is divisible by 4. Both are an even numbers. One is even, one is odd. 2k1 whole square plus 2k2 plus 1 whole square. 2k1 square is 4k1 square. 2k2 square is 4k2 square plus 4k2 plus 1. These divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4. It gives a remainder 1. One is it is perfectly divisible by 4. Another is it gives a remainder 1. One is odd, another is also odd. 2k1 plus 1 whole square plus 2k2 plus 1 whole square. These are nothing but 4k1 square plus 4k1 plus 1 plus 4k2 square plus 4k2 plus 1. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4. It gives a remainder 2. Right hand side, when you divide by 4, you should get either remainder 0 or remainder 1 or remainder 2 or remainder 2. Now see here, it is 17,9. 17,9 is 4 into 19 plus 3. 4 into something plus 3 form does not arise. So answer is no value for x comma y exists. I hope the idea is clear. No value for x comma y exists. X square plus y square equivalent to 3, 4, 7, 9. We are using because x and y are natural numbers. X is even, y is even. X is even, y is odd. X is odd, y is even. X is odd, y is odd. Even and even. Even number is 2 into any number. 2k1 whole square plus 2k2 whole square. Answer is divisible by 4. That is the reason 4 into a. One is even, one is odd. 2k1 square plus 2k2 square. I got a remainder 1. Then I got a remainder 2. Then I got a remainder 2. Or easy way to do. Best case is when both are even. Worst case is when both are odd. Odd means it gives a remainder 1. It gives a remainder 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So it ranges from lowest number, which is when x and y are even, that is 4a, to an worst case when x and y are odd. when x and y are odd. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear, right? Jitendra, for you, why 4 or 5, it is not possible. See beta here, x square plus y square equivalent to 3, 4, 7, 9. It is ending with 9. If it is ending with 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. What is even plus even? Even. Tens place should be an even number. Tens place should be an even number. 7 is an odd number. So therefore answer is no value for x comma y including 4 comma 5. I hope Jitendra beta, I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. Idea is clear. So what is that example that we did it? X square plus y square equivalent to 3, 4, 7, 9. So when both x and y are even, if this is even, this is even, answer I got 4a. Worst case is when x is odd, y is odd. Odd will give remainder 1, odd also will give, because there are two variables. It ranged from 4a to 4a plus 2. Because there are two variables, every time it gives a remainder 1. So lowest will be 4a, highest will be 4a plus 2. Next question. This is a tricky question, but once you understand, it's an easy question. x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4 and so on up to x14 power 4 is 15, 19, 9. Seems a very difficult question, but it is a 10 seconds problem. All are natural numbers. x1, x2 till x14. How many values it can take? x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4 and so on up to x14 power 4. Best case is when all are even. x1, x2 till x14 all are even. If all are even, 2k power 4, 16. Lowest will be, all the numbers will be divisible by 16. What is the worst case? When all the numbers are odd. When all the numbers are odd. Odd means here two variables are there, I got 4a plus 2. Here 14 variables are there, so I will get 16a plus 1. 16a plus 14. 15, 19, 9. 15, 19, 9 divided by 16. 16 hundreds are 16 minus 1. Positive remainder is 15. These 16 into 19, 9 plus 15. Plus 14 only form will come. From 0 to 14 form will come. So answer for this question is no value exists. See the above example and see this next example. It should be clear to you. X square plus y square equivalent to 3, 4, 7, 9. Best case is when both are even. X is even, y is even. So it is divisible by 4. Worst case is when both are odd. Odd number on square, it gives a remainder 1. Odd number on square, it gives a remainder 1. Or in other words, there are two variables, I got plus 2. x1, x2 till x14. All are even numbers. It is divisible by 16a. All are odd numbers. 14 variables are there. So it will be 16a plus 14. It is 16a plus 14. From 0 to 14, 15, 19, 9 is 16 into 100 minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder will be 15. Positive